Hey everyone, Helen here. Today we're going to be painting this colourful winter bird. I'll go through the brushes and colours I'm using throughout the video, and I'll also add them in the description below. I'm giving the canvas a little spray with some water, working that in with a large flat brush just to dampen the canvas a little. And then I'm using some leftover paint that I have from another painting. I've got some Naples yellow, a little rose pink, a little cerulean blue, and I'm going to finish with some titanium white in the middle. You can use any colours that you have left over that you think will look nice. Then I'm taking a dry mop brush or any soft fluffy brush and just blending all of those colours together. It's going to give me a nice blurry soft background. I'm going for a bit of a wintry feel with the blue and then the lovely warm colours coming in from the top corner. Then I'm going to roughly sketch out my bird. You can either pause the video at some point and trace my bird, or you can find one that you like, copy that onto the canvas if you don't want to sketch it out freehand. We'll put a bit of a branch along the bottom, set him on the branch, and I've got my black titanium white, some cadmium red and some burnt sienna. I'm going to start by making a dark brown with my burnt sienna and black, and we'll block out where the branches are going to be. If you don't have burnt sienna, any dark brown will do, maybe raw umber or something similar, just to block out those branches. I'm using a medium round brush, but you could use a filbert brush if you have one, whatever you're most comfortable with. We'll make them slightly thinner at the edges. You can switch to a smaller brush if you need to, but I'm just using the tip of the brush. And then we'll block this one in at the bottom. Right to the end. And a few little thinner branches just coming down. I've added a little white to the brown to make it lighter, and I'm going to put in a few fainter branches in the distance. Then I'm going to add a little more burnt sienna to the brown, a little white to make it just slightly lighter. And the next step is to start blocking out all the different sections and colours in our bird. Doesn't need to be any detail at all, just block colour. So we'll do the brown wings first. Then I'm coming in with black. I'm going to give him a black head on the top. I'm still using my medium round brush, but again use a smaller one if it's more comfortable for you. Block in that black around the eye. I've still got some black paint on the brush, and I've added a bit of white to it just to smudge and smear some white and black together to make a light grey and mark out the outline of the tail. I've added more white to the dark brown, so I've got a nice grey brown colour. I'm just going to let this blend together on the canvas for the bird's chest. So you get little streaks of different colours all blending together. Tidy that up a little. Same with the red and burnt sienna. We'll just block it out so it's still quite a solid shape. Block out that red part of his chest. Bringing it down. A little dark red on the beak. Not worrying about any detail. I added a little white and grey to it at the bottom just to smudge a little bit of a lighter pink in, but it's still very blocky in colour. I've got some white and black to make a grey colour. We'll fill this section in grey. A few little smudges of grey on his chest as well. And you can always keep coming in over the top with other colours until you get something that you're happy with. Now I've switched to a small round brush and I'm going to start adding just a little bit of detail. So I'll put a white outline and a few white lines coming up on the tail. And now I've got my liner brush and I'm going to put some very fine lines where the wing is, just to give the indication of that wing. And for the rest of the bird, I'm going to switch from a liner brush and a small round brush. I'm going to alternate between the two. And I'm going to soften the different colours together on the edges. So we want to kind of smudge those edges together, soften them all up, so we haven't got such a harsh line between each part. So the black will blend down into the grey a little. Give him his eye and soften everything up. A few highlights with light grey on the top of the head and some little white dots coming up from his wing, so it softens and blends up into the brown. And then for the chest of the bird, I'm going to take all my colours, my grey and white and a little bit of pink, and I'm just going to smudge them all together, paint them in with my small round brush until I get the effect of lots of different, slightly different coloured feathers. And again, if there's an area you don't like, just let it dry and then come in over the top. Little highlights on the beak. Darken that bit underneath. Back to the liner brush to get those lovely fine fluffy feathers. So I've got my white, the paint's nice and thin, I've added some water to it to make it go on smoothly. I've got that liner brush to put in those little white fluffy feathers and soften the colours together. Same with the grey coming into the red, just some little lines, little dashes. And you can spend as long as you like adding in these details. You can go over it again, let it dry, add some different colours, work around the whole bird until you get something that you're happy with. I'm going to put some little shadow areas in. At first it'll look like it's not coming together, but if you persevere with your small round brush and especially a liner brush, it will soon start coming together and looking like little feathers. Just keep going and eventually it'll start looking more like those soft little feathers. Put some white highlights on, just lots of little lines. Working around the bird. I'm going to put a little bit of burnt sienna on to give some lovely light brown patches as well, just to warm up his chest a little bit. Just in a few areas, give a bit more interest in different colours. Then we can start putting in his feet. It's going to be really simple, just plain black, and curve them around that branch. Same on this one. I've got my red, I've added a tiny bit of black to it to make it a dark red colour. And we can start adding in our winter berries. Nice big round juicy berries on the tree. You can place them wherever you think they look nice. I'm putting mine in little clumps, so they're all clumped together. Got my liner brush again to just put some fine details on the edges of the branches. I've got my white. I'm going to dab on the white paint just on the top of the branches with my medium round brush to give the indication of some snow just falling on the top of the branch. It might take a couple of coats of paint to get it nice and bright and white. Put a little bit on the berries as well. I've switched to a liner brush just to get a little more detail. And then we're all finished. Thanks for painting with me today. It would really help the channel if you hit that like button or drop me a comment, and I'll see you next time.